QuickBooks Online integration. Once Dear Inventory and QuickBooks Online are connected, Dear Inventory will become the central point of all inventory management within your business. This means that all inventory-related purchases, sales, and manufacturing will be performed in Dear Inventory and then synchronized over to QuickBooks Online. A video tutorial is available here. Warning: the choice to integrate with Xero, QuickBooks Online, or to use Dear Inventory as a standalone service must be made when you create your account. Changing from QuickBooks Online to Xero as your accounting system or vice versa requires a completely different Dear Inventory account. Changing from one Xero account to another Xero account or QuickBooks Online account to QuickBooks Online account requires a complete data wipe. Contact Dear support to know more. Changing from Dear standalone to a QuickBooks Online or Xero account requires a complete data wipe. Contact Dear support to know more. Dear Inventory does support integrating with QuickBooks Online Essentials, QuickBooks Online Plus. Dear Inventory does not support integrating with QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online Simple Start. If you have recently updated from a legacy product or you're unsure of the version of QuickBooks you operate, you should get in contact with Dear Systems by emailing support@dearsystems.com. Steps in QuickBooks Online. Before commencing the integration process, a number of accounts will have to be created in QuickBooks Online. You will need to create the following accounts: accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory, supplies and materials, COGS, revenue account, sales tax payable. To create new accounts in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, navigate to your company and select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts will be loaded based on the industry that you specified when initially setting up QuickBooks Online, and you may find that some of the accounts may already be present. Make sure there is an account for each of the ones listed above. 1. Click the New button, select the category that the new account would belong to, and then select the specific account to be added. 2. Click Save. 3. Once you have added all the relevant accounts, you're ready to begin the integration to Dear Inventory. Steps in Dear Inventory. To connect Dear Inventory and QuickBooks Online, when creating your Dear Inventory account or free trial account, select QuickBooks Online as your accounting system. Follow the link in the activation email sent to you. You will be redirected back to Dear Inventory and asked to choose a password. Go to Integrations, QuickBooks Online. Click Connect to QuickBooks to be taken to the QuickBooks Online login screen. Log in to QuickBooks Online. You will be prompted to let Dear Inventory access your data and redirected back to Dear. You will be directed to the QuickBooks Online synchronization screen. Follow the link to account mapping and check that all your QuickBooks Online accounts have been correctly mapped. If you receive a synchronization error, check that all the accounts have been set up correctly in QuickBooks Online as shown above. Once your Dear Inventory account is set up, you'll be able to locate the QuickBooks Online integration page by navigating to the integration module and selecting QuickBooks Online. The QuickBooks Online integration page will contain the details of the integration in the page header, and it explains the flow of data between Dear Inventory and QuickBooks Online. Created in QuickBooks, sent to Dear. Chart of accounts, tax rules, and payment terms. Created in Dear, sent to QuickBooks. Purchase orders. Optional send to QuickBooks Online. Bills or purchase invoices. Purchase credit notes. Sale quotes, estimates. Optional send to QuickBooks Online. Sale invoices, credit memos, and sale credit notes. Can be created in both, sync both ways. Vendors, suppliers, customers, any bill, sale, purchase payments, or refunds. Products, items. Creating inventory in QuickBooks Online and Dear can cause inventory tracking issues. Integration settings. Within the QuickBooks Online integration page, you are able to control whether your integration is enabled or disabled. You can authorize your QuickBooks Online connection. You can also choose whether to export purchase orders and sale quotes to QuickBooks Online. To complete your Dear Inventory setup, you will need to navigate to the dashboard, and here you will also need to ensure that your account mapping, suppliers, products, and customers are completed.